Okay, what's up? Welcome to this software engineering episode and playlist in Python for development and also for interviews, also for exams. So, in this video, we are going to look at Python type hints. So, Python type hints are actually optional syntax feature that was introduced in Python 3.5 PEP 484 that allowed developers to declare the expected types of variables, function parameters, and also return values. So, unlike strongly typed languages, Python type hints don't enforce types at runtime, and the interpreter ignores them completely. Instead, they serve two key purposes: improving code readability and also enabling better tooling support through static type checkers like MyPy. So the type hint actually acts as a living documentation, helping developers understand how code is meant to be used without digging through implementation details. So we'll look at a practical example where we have a basic type hint syntax of which you can type into your IDE to test it out. Okay, we don't provide it as a copy and paste so that you can become a better version of a developer. So the typings actually work with IDs like PyCharm and VS Code to provide enhanced auto completion, better error detection, and also improve refactoring capabilities. Okay, so the tools like MyPy can analyze your code statically to find type related bugs before runtime, creating a smoother development experience without sacrificing Python's dynamic nature. So that's it for you. Do well to try this in your IDE and let's know how it went in the comments.